Hi everyone, welcome back to my A-level biology lecture series. In this lesson, we will explore photosynthesis in general. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain that energy transferred as ATP and reduced ATP from the light-dependent stage is used during the light-independent state, also known as a Kelvin cycle of photosynthesis, to produce complex organic molecule or complex organic carbon compounds. Let's get started. First question here, what are the stages of photosynthesis and what are their key products? So photosynthesis takes place in two main stages, which are light-dependent reactions and light-independent reaction, which is also known as Kelvin cycle. So the light-dependent reactions occur in the thylakoid membrane, includes non-cyclic photophosphorylation. During this reaction, ATP and reduced NADP are produced. There is another reaction, under light-dependent reaction, which is known as cyclic photophosphorylation, which only produces ATP. During light-dependent stage, there are two essential products are formed, which are ATP as well as reduced NADP. And this product is very important because this product will be used in the light-independent stage, which occur in the chloroplast stroma, where carbon dioxide is used to produce organic carbon compound through the Kelvin cycle. The diagram summarizes the process of photosynthesis, which is divided into light-dependent reaction as well as light-independent reaction, which is also known as Kelvin cycle. During light-dependent reactions, we can see that light energy is absorbed and ATP as well as reduced NADP are produced. So ATP and reduced NADP are used in Kelvin cycle, which is known as light-independent stage. So during Kelvin cycle, ADP is produced as well as NADP. So these two chemicals are recycled. During light-dependent reactions, oxygen's molecules is produced. During light-independent reactions, sugar or organic carbon compounds are produced through the Kelvin cycle. In the next few lessons, we are going to explore more in terms of the reactions that take place during light-dependent stage, as well as the Kelvin cycle, how the Kelvin cycle takes place in the chloroplast stroma. With that, we have come to the end of this lesson. Hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section. See you in the next lesson. Have a great day.